Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X Courage Dran S660V Hasbro. Let's go. I just got this, and also I just got home from work. Really happy to have this in my collection. And with this, I'm pretty much almost caught up. Just need three, a few of the newer stuff, and one of the older. This is a starter. Okay, yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, don't tell me they come with. Okay, yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah, shit. Okay, there's that. 660. Okay, there we go. There's him. This piece. The lowest. QR code. 660. The tip. And the chip piece. Let's go, shall we? There we go. Hopefully it doesn't give me problems. There we go. So let's put 660 on. And the tip. And here we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.